Find the least common multiple LCM of 2 and 6. For 2, we will write the multiples of 2, which means table of 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, then 10, then 12. For 6, we will write the multiples of 6. Table of 6. 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36. For least common multiple, you can see here that this 6 and here 6. These are the common multiples in 2 and 6. And this is the smallest common multiple, whereas 12 is also common in 2 and 6. But we will take the smallest one. So the LCM or least common multiple of 2 and 6 is 6. Least common multiple of 6 and 10. Write the multiples of 6, table of 6, then table of 10. Now select the common multiples. Here 30 is common. And this is the smallest value that is common in 6 and 10. So least common multiple of 6 and 10 is 30.